Hello guys, myself Akhil Velpula. I completed my graduation in BTech Civil Engineering from Vaagdevi College of Engineering in the year 2020. After my graduation, I am searching for a job. One day my friend suggested me this Evision platform, who is already trained and placed with this Evision. Evision Technoserve is a good online platform program. Here I will choose a 45 days program and I will learn many modules like networking, CCNA, Windows administration and ITIL. So now I am placed in CGBiz Solutions India Pvt Ltd with a good package as a desktop support engineer. So who want to come to IT field, please choose Evision as your platform. Evision is a best platform for beginners and as well as experienced too. Here the faculty are very supportive and very expertise, and the placement team also very supportive, and they will give you 24/7 support and clarify all the doubts. So please join in Evision. Thank you.